Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariah. If you're new here, I upload every Saturday. I do a lot of lifestyle videos. Last week we did healthy breakfast ideas. The week before that we did a vlog. We did some goal setting. Today we're doing a clothing haul. This is a collective winter, I'd say winter clothing haul. Spent a lot of my Christmas money on this. Wanted to do a little clothing haul. I've been wanting to do these for a while, but we've been saving our money, not buying clothes. So when Christmas came, had some Christmas money, some gift cards, went ahead and got some stuff. Before we jump into that, I just wanted to say, please make sure you're subscribed down below. If you haven't hit that little subscribe button, now would be the perfect time to do that, as well as hitting the thumbs up button to let me know that you liked this video. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Mariah Nicole with 2 A's and 2 E's for more everyday updates. I also been posting some pictures with these clothing items, wearing them. Yeah, you know, like an outfit. All right. So make sure to follow me on Instagram just for more like everyday content, some outfit ideas, wearing these pieces, seeing them in action, you know. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, let's start with Boohoo. I placed an order on Boohoo. If you haven't heard of Boohoo, it's like one of those trendy, like more inexpensive shops. You're not gonna get the best quality, but it's like fast fashion, you know. First thing I got is I really wanted a sweat set. I wanted black sweatpants because I don't have any just like plain black sweatpants, nothing on them. They're literally just plain black. They're a little more of a slim fit, which I like. I wanted that. I didn't want baggy. I actually ordered a gray pair as well, and the gray pair was really baggy. So I actually sent those back, which was a bummer because I wanted a gray pair too. If you want them to be oversized, definitely size up. I got a US 6, and they're definitely more, not form-fitting because they're a sweatpant, but like they're more of a true to size. So if you want like a loungy sweatpant, definitely size up, which I'm normally like a 2 or 4. So just check on the website. I usually go off of like the model's measurement, what they're wearing, and then adjust for what I think I would need. Anyway, I got the black sweatpants, and to go with that, because I wanted a sweat set, these did not come together. I had to piece them together. But I found this black sweatshirt that's pretty plain, basic. It is oversized. I almost returned this because like, look at this. It's very wide, and I got a medium because that's what I think the model had on, so that's what I went with. I almost would have gotten a small, except that like this on its own without the sweatpants is gonna be really cute with like some biker shorts, but it also is really cute with sweatpants as well. It has this little, I don't even know what this says. It's like OFCL Studio. I don't know what that is, but I thought it was kind of cute, a little detail on the end of the sleeve, and that's the only thing that's on here. Otherwise, it's just plain black. But I thought those two would be really cute together or separate. I styled them together for this video, but I would also style just like the sweatpants with a tank top and a jacket, or you could just do the sweatshirt with some biker shorts, or with leggings, or with jeans. Really, honestly, a lot you can do, and it's COVID, so we're all wearing loungewear and buying loungewear. On the loungewear topic, I got another sweatshirt. Now, by no means do I need more sweatshirts. I do not need more sweatshirts. However, I really wanted to do that look where you do like the turtleneck under the sweatshirt, like a graphic sweatshirt. So I found this one, and it's like a light purple periwinkle. I thought it was really cute with a little turtleneck. So in comes the turtleneck, obviously. I got a white turtleneck bodysuit, actually. So this one I thought would be really cute to wear like on its own or under stuff. That's why I got the bodysuit one, but we'll get into that in a second. This is the sweatshirt. It's purple. I really like the color. It's more neutral than like something really bright, and I've been trying to go for more neutrals lately, so I really love that. It's not like super heavy, but it is like the soft inside, so it will keep you warm, especially if you're wearing the white turtleneck underneath. I got the white turtleneck bodysuit, and the reason I got in a bodysuit, like I said, because I could wear this with jeans and like a jacket over it, or like tucked in. So I wanted it for a multi-purpose item, not just to wear under my sweatshirt. So that's why I got this one. This one's perfect. It folds over. I'm very particular about like the turtleneck, I guess, and this one's just like perfect. It's not too bunchy. It looks like exactly like the look that you're probably going for from like Pinterest and seeing people on Instagram. I think it was like literally $9. A steal. That's everything I got from Boohoo. Let's move on to Target. So first off, I got these earrings. They're little, like, is it a hexagon? 1, 2, 3. Is that 7? All right, so, well, I got these little earrings. They're very thin, very light. I can't wear like heavy earrings. My earring hole like droops. It's annoying. So I can't wear like really cute, like chunky hoops, but I thought these were really like different and cool. I also picked up this Wild Fable green long sleeve. I need long sleeves. I really liked this little button detail, so it's a little bit different. It has that nice scoop neck, very flattering. And I got this. It's a little bit cropped, so I thought this would be really good for tucking into jeans. Literally perfect in that way. I went with an extra small because the small, when I was looking at it, just looked like it was a little bit too wide. I pictured this like tucked in, like almost looking like a bodysuit, and I just felt like the small was a little too baggy. So I guess just look at them when you look at it when you see it and make the judgment call for what you would want and how you would want to wear it. But I really like this. I've already worn it and it's really cute, especially like with these earrings. A vibe. The next one I got, I haven't worn this, but when I tried it on for the try on, I was like, oh, this is perfect. It's so soft. It's this cream long sleeve V-neck, but like not too crazy V-neck, because I hate when it's like, I hate when the V-neck isn't right, you know? I never find the right V-neck, but this one, it seems really good. In the store, they had it like tied up, and I thought it like came like that and I couldn't untie it, but I untied it and I was like, oh, thank goodness. So it has like that scoop bottom where you could wear it with leggings and it would like cover your bum in the back, or you can wear it tucked in. You can wear it so many ways, honestly. It's so soft. I'm obsessed. This is also an extra small. I felt like because it was oversized, that was a good call, and when I tried it on, it was. That's the hard part with right now, is you can't try things on in the store, which is really frustrating. So sometimes you have to buy a few sizes and bring them home and then return them. Next thing I got from Target was this sweatshirt. It's a little bit cropped. I'm obsessed. I wore it a few times. It's so cute, and like the mock neck just like hits at the right place. It's not too like constricting, because I can't do that. It's not a good time. It's so soft. Throw it on with leggings, throw it on with jeans. You really can't go wrong. They had it in a few different colors. I have been trying to do neutrals, but I wanted to get a little pop of pink just to be fun. Last thing from Target, I got this midi skirt. I've been like seeing this trend forever. I saw this one and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get it. I had a gift card. I've never bought one of these for myself, and it always looks so cute when people wear it with like a sweater or a graphic tee. And I'm always like, oh, I need something that's not pants sometimes, that's not jeans, and I thought this would be it. So these you can really dress up or down with some white sneakers. Yeah, so cute, such a vibe. You could also wear it with some heels if you're doing like a nighttime look. So cute with, I did a cropped sweatshirt with a jean jacket and white tennis shoes. Oh, so cute. And this is just like a shiny black. Okay, that was Target. Let's move on to this jacket. I've been obsessed with this jacket. My mom got it for me for Christmas. If you're curious where it's from, she will probably comment below where it is. I assume it's from QVC or HSN, but this is like a teddy material. It's not quite a jacket because it's longer. It's a vibe. I just wore it today, freezing outside, and honestly wasn't that bad. I wasn't outside for that long. I'm obsessed with this. I have no idea where to link it to or how much it was, but I wanted to share it because even if you just get inspiration from this, you need one. It's a neutral. It looks cute over everything, whether it's leggings, jeans, heels, skirts, sweatpants, like you need it. You gotta get it. Abercrombie is my new favorite store. I love everything there. I have been on the hunt for jeans for probably over a year, and I finally tried them out. I had no idea what size I was. We went to the store. I tried on a bunch. Of course, they didn't have my sizes really. So then I ordered a bunch, but first, we went to the store, you guys. I saw these on the website and I was like, oh, those are so cute. So in right now. So trendy, if you will. I wasn't gonna buy them because they were like full price, and I was like, no, I need real jeans. These were on the clearance rack. They're not coming up very well, but leather coated, high-waisted, and they do have a little bit of a, not a flared bottom, but it's like a boot cut. It's a raw hem. These fit me so well. What even was the retail price? $99. I literally think they were like 20, and unfortunately they're not online anymore. I couldn't find them anywhere. I think this was like someone bought them online and returned them to the store, probably out of stock, so they were on like really big clearance, and they were my size, and they're like kind of fun with like the boot cut bottom, and it's not like quite a tight skinny jean, so I love these. Okay, in my jeans saga, I ended up with two pairs. Just buy one get one 50% off. What I ended up with, these are the Curve Love high rise skinny jeans, and they're like real denim, which is what I wanted. I didn't want the stretchy. I wanted real denim. It has the button up fly. Is that what it's called? A fly? A raw hem at the bottom. They're a little bit baggy, and I'm a little nervous. Oh, I didn't tell you the size. These are a 26 regular. The 25 I remember I tried on in the store and they were way too tight. So then I ordered them online, and these ones are a little baggy, but I'm hoping if I just put them in the dryer that they'll shrink up a little bit, because they fit really well in the waist, like in like this area. It's a little baggy, but these were originally $89. They were buy one get one half off, so I would suggest waiting for them to go on sale. I feel like they have sales kind of often. I feel like it's like hit or miss. Either they're having a really good sale or like nothing's on sale. Okay, for the other pair I got, I wanted a classic blue jean. I just wanted plain blue jeans. I would love jeans with rips, but I was like, I need just like a classic blue jean. These are what I went with. They're a little worn because I have worn them a few times. These are the Curve Love Super Skinny Ankle High Rise, and these are also a 26. These don't have a raw hem, and they are that stretchy material that I said I didn't want, but I was finding that you couldn't really find this in like a real denim. I don't mind them that much. They're very plain. They're just blue, nothing special honestly, but just like a plain blue jean, everyday staple, something you just kind of need, you know? These were also $89, but again, it was buy one get one half off. So, and that was everything I got from Abercrombie. Okay, last few things. Amazon. If you follow Stephanie Goodwin on here as well, which you should, I was influenced. I watched her Amazon favorites and I was like, okay, it's time. I'm buying them. I got these sunglasses. They're so cute. They were $13. They're trendy. I love them. I'm obsessed. I don't spend money on sunglasses. It's just not something I put my money into. I got these and I'm so happy with it. They came with this little case, but these are so cute. I think you can also get like a 2-pack for like $16, and I was like, what? If you want to go in on it with a friend, get the 2-pack and then you can both get them for cheap, for like $8 each. Last up, Marshalls. I did a vlog, but I got these Bad Larrys. These have quickly become my everyday boot. I am obsessed with them. I love them. They do not feel like they're a heel at all. It does not feel like you're walking around in heels. I think it's because of this like platform right here. I don't want to touch the bottom because I have worn them. They're just perfect. I got them at Marshalls, so again, I can't really link them. I love these. I've literally probably worn them every day. Last thing, I think, white tennis shoes. I've been wanting a pair of white tennis shoes that aren't my Converse, but I found these at Marshalls as well. They were on clearance for $28. These are so comfortable. They have like a soft foam in them. That's what this little thing is. Yeah, I don't really know if there's like a style or anything to them, but these are really cute. Perfect to wear with that skirt to dress it down. Perfect, just like everyday white tennis shoe. I'm really excited to wear these, especially come spring. Okay, that's everything I got. So that was my winter clothing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you get some inspiration. I know your bank account's not gonna like it, but like check out the links below. Some of this is on like a good sale too. Like a lot of these things I've gone back to like check the links and they're still on sale. I would highly suggest 10 out of 10. Target, Abercrombie, Boohoo, Amazon, TJ Maxx / Marshalls. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please make sure you are subscribed down below, like this video, comment below which was your favorite outfit. Let me know. I also did a TikTok over on TikTok. My TikTok, how many times can I say TikTok? My TikTok is at Mariah MacDonald 8. Check out that TikTok of all of these outfits. Also follow me on Instagram for everyday content and more outfit info, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.